Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing the poem Crossing the Bar by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Let's get started. The poet wrote this poem 3 years before he died. The poem takes place in a boat at twilight, a period of dim light, just before it's completely dark as the speaker heading out to sea. He hears something calling for him from the sea, but wanted to make sure such noise should not from the sandbars on the beach. The poet uses the metaphor of a sandbar to describe the barrier between life and death. He expresses a sense of serenity by telling all is well with him. The poet wishes to cross the sandbar and describes beautifully that beyond him there lies a vast sea, but the journey is unknown, whereas destination is known or familiar. He does not want any disturbances should be encountered and wished the level of sea to rise so that he can sail over it without any obstacles. The poet's fearlessness towards death and his firm faith in God and eternity of life is praiseworthy. What he explained in the poem is accepting attitude towards death. End of the day symbolizes end of the life. The poet desires that he should die peacefully. He expresses his desire that on his departure from this earth, people should not be sad, depressed or mournful, as he will go up and get placed in the heaven. He wishes a smooth sailing rather than hitting the troublesome sandbar. Image of the sea is used by the poet to present the barriers of life and death. It's very much the action of leaving the shore and floating along the sea, showing the journey that we all take only to meet our maker or pilot, that is God. Metaphors have a vital role to play in the poem with human emotions. Human emotions are always not an easy one to comprehend and find difficulty to express with smooth free flow. Tennyson made people realize that death, although not as welcoming as birth, yet is a great adventure, the good side of to face such tragedy. Points to ponder. There is ample use of metaphors throughout the poem to create subtle effect on readers and also to give a cover to true idea. God is metaphorically described as pilot. Sea is another metaphor to describe the unknown, unpredictable world after death. Sunset is the reference to death. Metaphors have made the poem an enjoyable read and leaving a mark on the readers to realize that all things come to an end ultimately. Thank you very much. Tip of the day. Both compassion and conscience are jewels of human personality. Our conscience always navigate us to adopt right path, and compassion in our heart pave the way not to have hatred feeling, hurtful attitude towards a person. In my next tutorial, I will be discussing another poem, Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold, describing transitory human emotions of lamentness through image of the sea, and also effect of science on religion. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and do take very good care of yourself.